Creepy crawly things. If you do, then you must like insect or spider. Then learn this book read this book to learn about them. Insects. There have more insects in the world. Other kind of animals. Insects are everywhere. Are on the land and sea and the sky. Most insects eat plants. Insects help plants grow. Plants have 3 baby parts, 6 legs, and 2 about on their hands. Insects have wings and lay eggs. Our introduction. Spiders live all over the world. Most spiders live on the ground or climbs to high plants. Many spiders eat live prey. Some spiders help to get rid of insects that cause trouble. Spiders have 2 main bodies, 8 legs to eat. They also have spines to make scales. They use their skin to make webs, nests, and egg trails. Spiders are very clever.